Learn Gujarati adjectives fast, tasty, useful, difficult, and easy in
Gujarati.
Welcome to your Gujarati adventure. Hey, you are here, and that is already impressive. Today you will learn 4 super handy Gujarati words without falling asleep on your textbook. Our stars today are tasty, useful, difficult, and easy. In Gujarati, they are
Swadisht, Upyogi, Mushkil,
and.
Sarar.
Say them with me slowly.
Swadisht, Upyogi, Mushkil, Sarar.
Excellent. Your brain just got a very
Upyogi.
snack. The snack stall disaster. Let us jump into a ridiculous little story. The more dramatic it is, the better your memory behaves. You walk to a food stall in Ahmedabad, feeling confident, stylish, and maybe slightly hungry. You point at a steaming bowl of soup and take one bite. Suddenly your eyes go wide. This soup is tasty. In Gujarati.
આ સૂપ સ્વાદિષ્ટ છે.
Then you see a tiny folding spoon, a napkin, and a map to the bus stop all packed into one magical wallet. You whisper, "This is useful." In Gujarati.
આ ઉપયોગી છે.
Then the vendor hands you a puzzle menu with 17 kinds of tea, 9 kinds of fritters, and one item called Mystery Triangle Number 4. You panic. This is difficult. In Gujarati.
આ મુશ્કેલ છે.
Finally, a grandmother at the next table smiles, points to the best snack, and says with total calm energy, "This choice is easy." In Gujarati.
આ સરળ છે.
You order, survive, and become a legend. Word by word. Now let us slow down and make each word stick. You do not need perfection, just repetition with a little style. Tasty is.
સ્વાદિષ્ટ.
Think of hot food, a happy face, and 0 regrets. Example. The cake looks tasty.
કેક સ્વાદિષ્ટ લાગે છે.
Useful is.
ઉપયોગી.
Think of a tool, a map, or a friend who actually brings snacks. Example. Her advice was useful.
તેની સલાહ ઉપયોગી હતી.
Difficult is.
મુશ્કેલ.
Think of a test that stares back at you like it pays rent. Example. This question is difficult.
આ પ્રશ્ન મુશ્કેલ છે.
Easy is.
સરળ.
Think of a smooth road, simple steps, and your future victory dance. Example. This question is easy.
આ પ્રશ્ન સરળ છે.
Mini dialogue practice. Time to hear the words in a tiny conversation. Imagine yourself there, sounding cool and unexpectedly multilingual. A. How is the food? B. It is.
સ્વાદિષ્ટ.
A. Do you need this guide? B. Yes, it is.
ઉપયોગી.
A. Is this puzzle easy? B. No, it is.
મુશ્કેલ.
A. Is the first lesson hard? B. No, it is.
સરળ.
Opposites make it stick. Your memory loves contrast. So let us make 2 words politely fight each other. The opposite of difficult is easy. In Gujarati.
મુશ્કેલ.
Versus.
સરળ.
Imagine 2 buttons on a game screen. One says nightmare mode.
મુશ્કેલ.
The other says beginner mode.
સરળ.
Now food and tools. A samosa can be.
સ્વાદિષ્ટ.
A map can be.
ઉપયોગી.
Unless the map is edible and the samosa shows bus routes. Then congratulations, you are in a very strange but efficient universe. Quick recall challenge. You are up. Answer in your head, or out loud if you want to impress a nearby plant. What is the Gujarati word for tasty?
સ્વાદિષ્ટ.
What is the Gujarati word for useful?
ઉપયોગી.
What is the Gujarati word for difficult?
मुश्किल.
What is the Gujarati word for easy?
सरल.
You hear.
स्वादिष्ट.
That means tasty. You hear.
उपयोगी.
That means useful. You hear.
मुश्किल.
That means difficult. You hear.
सरल.
That means easy. Your tiny speaking mission. Let us finish with a mission you can actually use today. Short, practical, and gloriously doable. Say these 4 mini sentences after me. The food is tasty.
ખોરાક સ્વાદિષ્ટ છે.
This tool is useful.
આ સાધન ઉપયોગી છે.
This question is difficult.
આ પ્રશ્ન મુશ્કેલ છે.
This is easy.
આ સરળ છે.
If that felt a little.
મુશ્કેલ.
Do not worry. With practice, it becomes.
સરળ.
And if you reward yourself with something.
સ્વાદિષ્ટ.
That is also extremely.
ઉપયોગી.
For morale. Friendly goodbye. You did great today. 4 words, real practice, and no boring vocabulary prison. Thank you for learning with me. Keep practicing.
સ્વાદિષ્ટ. ઉપયોગી. મુશ્કેલ.
And.
સરળ.
Out loud. Repeat them tomorrow, use them in 1 tiny sentence each, and your Gujarati will grow step by step. Thanks for listening, and keep going, you are doing wonderfully.